See,
Yes, sir.
these are the higher level questions from for SAT.
Yes, sir.
This question is very challenging question. First of all, tell our answer.
So is it option C?
Option
C.
C. Parabola.
Yes, sir.
How do you say?
So because the sine graph and cos graph are parabolic shape wave. Set it on that basis, sir.
I am telling you one thing. What is the value of x by 3?
X by 3, sir. Sin theta.
Very good. What is y by 3? Y by 2?
Cos theta.
Squaring and adding on both sides. X by 3 whole square means x square by 9
Yes.
plus y square by 4.
Yes.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Is equal to sin square theta,
By cos.
not by, plus.
Plus cos square.
Yeah. Sin square theta plus cos square theta. What is the value of sin square theta plus cos square theta?
1, sir.
So the given equation is x square by a square. Sorry, x square by 9 plus y square by 4 is equal to 1. What's the name of this equation? Circle, ellipse,
ellipse, sir.
Yes, you are right. So which option is correct?
Option E, sir.
Either D.
Oh, yes, sir. Either D or E.
Yeah. Do you remember? We touched this chapter. If see, this is called A. In this ellipse, A is equal to 3.
Yes, sir.
Do you remember? A. B is equal to.
Yes.
A is greater than 2 or A is less than 2.
A is greater than 2, sir.
So, which option is correct? Option E or option E? See, there are two cases in ellipse. If A is greater than this, see, if A is greater than B,
oh, then it will be D, no, sir. Or E.
The case. If A is less than B, this is the case.
Yes.
Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
So, for this question, which option is correct?
Option E, sir.
Option?
E, sir.
Right. And even if you don't know the knowledge, if you don't have the knowledge of ellipse, you can answer this question. See, sometimes we can use our common sense. Put x is equal to 0 in this equation.
0 equals 3 sine
Not
theta.
common sense, sixth sense. We can use our sixth sense. x is equal to 0. What happens when we put x is equal to 0?
0 equals 3 sine theta.
0 is
So
equal to
x equals 0.
0 is equal to sin theta, right?
Yes, sir.
Sin theta is equal to 0. Then theta is equal
0.
0. Very good. Put that 0 in the second equation. Then what's the value of y?
2, sir.
So 0 comma 2 is a point on it, right?
Yes, sir.
Among these 5 graphs, which graph has 0 comma 2 on it? You know where does the point 0 comma 2 lies? Look,
Option E is in the y-axis.
yes, option E only, right?
Yes.
And one more example. Put y is equal to 0. To y, what happens when you put y is equal to 0?
0 equals 2 times
Yeah, 2
0.
times cos theta. 2 times cos theta is equal to 0. Then cos theta is equal to 0. Then theta is equal to
90 degrees.
very good. Put this 90 degrees in the first equation.
X equals 3, sir.
Equal to 3, right?
Yes, sir.
So the point is 3 comma 0.
Yes, sir.
Of course, yeah, option B, option E, both are correct in this case,
Yes.
right?
Yes, sir.
So we have to check two bases. This is by using this type of sixth sense, we can answer these questions even if we don't have the knowledge of ellipse. No problem. We have touched ellipse, hyperbola also, right?
Yes, sir.
Have you got clarity?
Yes, sir.
These questions must be used by calculator only. Do you have calculator handy?
Yes, sir. 5x equals 2. What does 3x equal?
See, do you remember earlier we discussed the concept of log?
Yes, sir.
A power B is equal to C,
Log
which means B is equal to
B equals log
log
C.
C base A.
Yes, sir.
So X is equal to
X equals log 2 base 5.
log to base 5, right? Use calculator and find the value of log to base 5.
0.43 or something.
Very good. 0.43 correct only. Now what is asked? 3 to the power of x is asked.
Yes,
For x
sir.
means 3 power 0.43.
1.6.
The answer is 1.6. Option?
So option is
Option E. Very good. 39th. 4 cos x is equal to sin x, which means sin x dividing both sides by cos x. Take this equation, divide both sides by cos x. What happens?
What's divide?
Divide both sides by cos x.
Oh, 4 equals sin x by cos x.
Tan x.
Yes, sir.
Use calculator to find the value of x. That means x is equal to tan
Tan
of
into 4. 75.96.
76 degrees roughly. Am I right?
Yes, sir. 75.96.
That means 76 degrees, 75.9 minutes. Of course, you can use 75.9 degrees only also.
Yes, sir.
Find the value of 76 degrees in radians.
pi by 45.
You can just use the concept of 1 degree is equal to 0.07017, something like that. Or simply convert 76 degrees in radians.
76 by 180, no, sir.
Into 3.1. Or directly converted. There is an option in calculus, in calculators.
I don't think I have the options.
In calculator.
No, sir. I think I have to search.
Or you can do like this. 76 by 180 into 3.14.
76 by 180. 3.14. 76 by 180 times 0.16. So is it 1.26? Option C.
Option C.
1.3.
Yeah, exactly. Right. Clear the tick mark.
Yes.
It's a very interesting concept. We will discuss it.
I don't think I can clear it. Oh, yeah.
In a graph, you know what is the graph of y is equal to x? Instead of y is equal to minus x, let us use y is equal to x.
Linear equations, straight line.
Right, very good. Y is equal to x means both the x coordinates and y coordinates are equal, right?
Yes.
See, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is y equal to x, right?
Yes.
Imagine this line is a mirror. This line is a mirror, right?
Yes.
Where does the image of this point can be seen in this mirror? First of all, coordinates of this point are 2, 1, right?
Yes.
Look at the point. If it is a mirror, if y equal x is a mirror, where does the location of the image of 2, 1 can be seen in this mirror?
1, 2, sir.
Here only. Very good, right? Undoubtedly 1, 2. The image of can you tell the image of alpha, beta?
Beta comma alpha.
Very good. It's about the line y is equal to x, not 0. Y is equal to x. Now let us take another line. Can you tell the points on this line? If x is equal to 1, then what is y?
-1.
If x is equal to 1, what is y? Just we are pointing. If x is equal to 1, then y is equal to
1.
it is minus x.
-1.
Yeah, if x is equal to 1, then y is equal to minus 1. See, 1 minus 1. Can you give another example?
X equals to y equals -2.
Yes, x is equal to 2 and x is equal to -2, then y is equal to
2, sir.
Yeah. If x is equal to -2, yeah, this is -2, y is equal to 2. So this is that line. Yeah. Now think clearly. This is the equation of y is equal to -x. Equation of this line is y is equal to -x. Can you tell the image of, for example, 2, 1? What's the image of 2, 1?
1, -1, 2.
2, 1. Yeah, its image is
-1, 2.
2, 1 is the line.
-1, 2.
-1, just I am checking. Yeah, -1, 2. Are you sure? This is 2, 1.
So -2, 1, no, sir.
-1, -1. Oh, sorry, it is not 2, 1.
It's -2,
2,
1.
1 is this.
Yes, sir.
Its image with respect to this line. This line is confusing, so I am clearing the black. Yeah, this is 2, 1. Please tell what's the image of 2, 1?
-1, 2, sir.
Very good. -1, comma. First of all, try to locate its point in the graph image. Its image in this graph. This is point, right?
Yes, sir.
Where does its image imagine this is a mirror?
-1, 2, sir.
-1,
2.
-1, 2 is here. It is -1, 2. Can it be its?
Sorry, 1, -2, sir.
Very good. 1, -2. No. This is its image.
Yes, sir. So it will be 1, -2, no, sir.
Sorry. It cannot be its negative. See, think clearly. Sorry. It is the point. Its image is this. For example, take another point. For example, it is 1, 2. Where does its image? In the graph, in this mirror. This point is seeing its image in this mirror. Its
Yes,
coordinates are 1, 2. Try. Its image is
-2, 1. -2, -1.
yes, you are right. Got the point? Its image 1, 2 image is -2, -1. Let's take another point. This is 2, 1, right?
Yes.
This is 2, 1. Try to tell its image.
1, 2.
Sorry, it is not 2, 1. It is -2, 2, 1, right?
Yes, sir. 1, -2.
Its image is, where does its image?
-1, 2.
-1,
2, sir.
correct one. Yes. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
What happens? First of all, both coordinates are exchanges, reverse, with opposite sign. See, for 1, 2, it is -2, -1. Reverse and opposite sign. For -2, 1, 1, 2. Image of -2, 1 is 1, -2. -1, -1, 2. Try to answer what is the image of alpha, beta. Negative beta, negative alpha.
Yes, sir.
What is P, Q? Image of P, Q? First reverse. Both coordinates reverse. That is negative cube, negative P, right?
Yes, sir.
Now try to answer this question. Simply it is asking for the image of A, B, C. What are the images of A, B, C?
So -1, -2.
Yeah, -1, image of -1, -2. Exchange x coordinate y will become y coordinate and y coordinate will become x coordinate with opposite sides.
So -2, 1.
Very good.
So
That,
it's option C,
that
sir.
is the image of A. Next image of B.
So it's option C, sir. It's the
Yeah,
only.
right. And there is a direct formula to find images. Sometimes we are unable to draw graph. For example, there might be some critical equations. It is simple equation. We can draw graph easily for it, right? But sometimes equations may be typical. So I am telling you one simple formula. See, this is a point h, k. Do remember this formula. This is a line whose equation is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Now, image of this point with respect to this line is here. Sorry. Let this point be x1, y1. Let this point be x1, y1. Image of this point with respect to this line be h, k. Then there is a formula to find the image of a point with respect to a line. I am telling that formula. That formula is use this relation h minus x1 by a is equal to k minus y1 by b is equal to minus 2 times of ax1 plus by1 plus c whole by a square plus b square. Do you remember this formula?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. In this case, the equation of the line is, in this problem, what is the equation of the line?
Y equals -x.
Right. Convert this into this format. Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 format. Convert it.
Negative.
Minus x will become plus x, right?
Yes, sir.
Equation of this line is x plus y is equal to 0. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now take, for example, one point. Let us take one point. That point is -1, -2. For example, it may be the point -1, -2. We are trying to find the image of this point with respect to this line, right?
Yes, sir.
For example, let us think this is the image h, k. We are finding this point, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What is right? Use this formula h minus. This is the point x1, y1.
Yes, sir. H plus 1.
Very good. H plus 1 by
A.
A means x coordinate.
1.
Very good. H plus 1 by 1 is equal to
K plus Y. K plus 2 by 1.
very good. What to do now? Minus 2 times of just plug in this point in this equation. In this part.
-1, -2.
Minus 2 times of yes. Go ahead.
-3.
-1, -2. Whole by
1 plus
is
1.
yeah 1
2.
plus 1, right. What happens here? 2 and 2 get
-2
cancelled.
and 2 gets cancelled. 3.
Very good. What is this value? H plus 1 is equal to 3, right? First of all,
Yes, sir.
H plus 1 is equal to 3, which means H is equal.
So H plus 1 by 1. Okay, yeah. H equals 2. Sir.
Very good. Now come back, use this statement.
K equals 1. Sir.
K is equal to 1. H is equal to K is equal to 1. So this
Oh,
image is
yes.
2, 1. Got the idea?
Yes, sir.
This is standard formula. This is standard formula to find the image, right?
Yes, sir.
And the method we use it to solve this question is just by observation. Since this equation is very simple, we can draw its graph and we can find image on the graph. But sometimes the equation may not be so simple. For example, 7x plus the 19y plus 81 is equal to 0. In this case, we cannot draw graph. It's not possible. Of course, we can draw, but in that particular time, in that short time, we can't draw a graph for this line. So, in that case, we should use standard formula. This is called standard. This is called image formula. What's the name of this formula? Image formula.
Okay.
You know, sometimes, see, have you noted it down? Take a screenshot or note it.
Yes, sir.
After that, I will tell another formula related to this. These two
Yes.
formulas are called twin formulas.
Yes, sir.
One formula is image formula, right? Got it?
Done, sir.
Taken it?
Yes, sir. Took it.
Now, these two formulas are called twin formulae. This is point x and y1. This is a line. Equation of this line is
Pi equals x.
I am telling standard formula. Right?
Yes, sir.
Earlier, we used the formula for image, right? That is called image. But this is not image. This is lying on the line. Lying
Yes,
on
sir.
the line, right?
Yes.
If you trigger something here, where does that thing touches this line? There, here only, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I heard a bad news from states that's about Trump.
Oh, yes, sir.
Right. Yeah, that culture is there generally.
Yes.
Yeah, right. I do remember that example. Yeah. For example, if it is a flat line, if it is a line, it is a point. If we drop a stone from here, where does it touches this place, right?
Yes.
Here it is not possible to drop. That's why we trigger some water gun or something, laser gun or something, right? From
Yes.
here, it touches here only, right?
Yes.
This is called footer perpendicular. Footer perpendicular. What's the name of that point? Footer perpendicular. That why it is called footer perpendicular? That means if we draw a line, if we join these 2 points, the angle is 90 degrees. That's why this point is called footer perpendicular, right?
Yes.
Previously it is image, now it is footer perpendicular. Sometimes we need to find the footer perpendicular. This formula resembles image formula. That's why these two formulas are called twin formulas. Got it? The formula is just like this. The formula to find footer perpendicular is h minus x1 by a is equal to k minus y1 by b is equal to negative of ax1 plus by1 plus c whole by a square plus b square. Got it?
Yes.
What's the difference between these two formulae?
So then 2 outside the formula.
Yeah, 2. If there is 2, it is image formula. If there is no 2, without 2, it is a put a perpendicular formula, right?
Yes, sir.
Take note of it.
Yes.
Yeah, it's very interesting question. You can answer this question easily.
If sin x equals cos x, then x could determine only in the.
X could terminate means X has a solution. That means,
Sir, is it second or fourth quadrants?
are you sure?
I think so.
What
Both
happens when we divide both sides by cos x?
X equals tan x.
Yes, you're right. Tan x is equal to.
Oh, it's either first or third quadrant.
Yes, very good. What's your idea?
So tan theta is only positive in first and third quadrant.
Very
That's why.
good, very good. Do you remember the concept of tangent? We did in circles.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, without that knowledge, even without that knowledge, you can answer this question. First of all, you should have the basic idea of circle. What's the center of the circle? Do you remember this formula? We used it.
Yes, sir.
Minus h
Root
whole
of
square.
minus g and minus f.
Yeah, tell again.
Root of minus g minus h. Or sorry, center is g comma h.
No, it is 2, 2, 2. Yeah, here it is h comma k, right?
Yes.
If the equation of the circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square, then center C is equal to h comma k. Radius is r.
Yes, sir.
Tell what is center and what is its radius?
Center is 2 comma negative 1.
Very good.
Radius
R
is
equal
root of 4 plus 1. Root 5. Sir.
No. It is r
Oh,
square.
4.
No, not 4.
2, sir. 2. Okay, never mind.
Yeah,
2. Sir.
radius is equal to right. Got it. Now, see. First of all, think about this. X is equal to k. What do you mean by x is equal to k? It is a straight line.
Yes, sir.
It is a straight line. That
Yes.
vertical line.
Yes, sir.
First of all, let us think about x is equal to k. Coordinates of this point are 1, comma 0, right?
Yes, sir.
Coordinates of this point are 2, comma 0. Sorry,
Yes.
1, comma 1.
Yes, sir.
Coordinates of this point are 1, comma 2. What do you understand about the property of the points on this line?
All the x values are 1.
That's why equation of this line is x is equal to 1.
Yes.
Equation of vertical line is x is equal to k, right?
Yes.
Where k is x coordinate of any point on it.
Yes.
Now, see, it is just a circle with center 2, comma negative 1 and r is equal to. Yeah. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Can I locate its center?
Yes, sir.
Locate its center on the graph.
2, sir. Here.
2, comma negative 1. Where does 2, comma negative 1?
Oh. 2 comma negative 1 here, sir.
Yes, very good. You are right. It is its center. What is its radius?
2, sir.
2. So radius is 2 means this is 2 units, right?
Yes, sir.
That's why its center is, sorry, its graph is like this. 2 units. 1, 2. 1 unit, 2 units, right? Got it?
Yes, sir.
It is its right. Now, see, x is equal to k means vertical lines. We have understood previously, right?
Yes, sir.
Tell its vertical, one of its vertical lines is clearly this is the vertical line. Yeah, y-axis is vertical line. This is another vertical line, right? 1, 2. See, its radius is 2 units. So its distance is also 2 units. Got it?
Yes.
See, coordinates at this point are 2, -1, right?
Yes.
This is a horizontal line. Giving example for horizontal line. Coordinates at this point are 1, 0. Coordinates at this point are 2, 0. Coordinates at this point, sorry. Coordinates of this point are 1, 1, right?
Yes.
This is 3, 1, 5, 1. So what is the property of all the points on this line? Y is equal to 1. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So equation of this line, see, it is 2, -1. So it is 2, 0. 2, sorry. This point, coordinates of this point are 0, 0, -2. Can you tell its equation simply? See, we need
Y equals negative
it
1.
is 2, -1. It is 2 steps right side.
Yes, sir.
What are the coordinates of a point which has 2 steps right side?
4, -1.
Yes, you are right. So equation of this line is 4, -1. Equation of this line is simply 2 units right
4,
side.
-1.
Yeah. So which
Point of-
option is correct?
Option C, sir.
Option C. Just by observation, we can answer this type of questions.
Yes.
Tangent questions.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's very interesting question. You can do one thing. Y-axis. What's the equation of y-axis? What's the properties of points on y-axis?
Y values are
Y-axis. Can you give an example for a point on y-axis?
0, 1, 0, 2.
Yes, yes, you're right. Yeah, give examples of points on y-axis. 0, 1. Yeah,
1.
yeah,
0,
it's correct.
2.
And one more example.
0, 2.
0, 2. These are all the points on y-axis, right?
Yes, sir.
So what is the common property of coordinates on y-axis?
All the Y values are same. Sorry.
All the
X values are same.
Yeah, all the x coordinates are
Same. Are 0.
0, right? So equation of y-axis, that means property of y-axis, x is equal to 0.
Yes.
X is equal to 0 is the equation of y-axis, right?
Yes.
Here it is telling y-axis. Means
Yes.
y-axis means
X equals 0.
yes. Do understand? Do remember like this. Y-axis means x is equal to 0. X-axis means
Y equals 0.
Here it is y-axis. So we can understand that y-axis means
X equals 0.
yeah. Do the same. Put x equal to 0 in the given equation.
X equals 0. So it will be
What happens when we put x equal to 0?
4 plus 2, 6. So it will be y equals 2.
That's it. What is asked here? What is the ask the value of y.
Yes, so y equals 2 cos.
Yeah. Tell y is equal 2 cos. We are
2
putting
x.
x equal
So
0.
2 cos 2.
2
Cos 2 because x equals 1.
x is equal 0. We are putting x equal 0.
Oh, yes, sorry. Cos 0 is 1.
2 cos 0.
That's who. Yes, sir.
Plus.
Plus.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
What's the
Cos
value?
0 is 1.
Yes.
So y equals 2 plus 2, 4.
Yes. Option?
For option D, sir.
Right. Yeah. You might have called me
Yes.
within 5 minutes.
Yeah, I was doing French and I forgot about it, sir.
Yeah. I think we need to do this level of questions because
Yes.
level 1 questions are easily solved by you. You can solve them easily.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Try this some as homework.
Yes, sir. One second.
All this is one question only.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Stephna,
Yes, sir.
I'm sending you another link right now. Okay?
Sir, I'll leave.
The reason అంటే మేబీ సమ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ వచ్చేస్తారు అందు గురించి సెపరేట్ లింక్ పంపిస్తారు అప్పుడు.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir. Have a good day.
Okay, thank you, Tanika.
Thank you, sir.